This morning I'm in my office. I'm gonna do some yoga real quick before I take Clover to the dog park. Don't tell him. I'm gonna take Clover out. He's gonna have a nice surprise. And then we're gonna do some organizing projects. So get excited. Actually, I'm really excited to do my first yoga routine in this office because I haven't had a place to do my yoga routine before, ever, and I'm excited. Ignore the fact that I have like lights on the floor. We're still working on this, but like, look at my Choco Cat yoga bag. Oh my goodness. I love this. I've had this for like, I don't know, 10, 12 years, and it's been my favorite. It's kind of like got some fraying on it, but it's a Choco Cat yoga bag. Come on. I'm all chilled out, stretched out, ready to do some physical stuff today. But first, we gotta make sure somebody gets their exercise. All right, you ready to go? Just sad sack. Why you look so sad? Sometimes when I capture pictures of Clover and I put them on Instagram, everyone's like, why does he look so mad or sad? I'm like, that's just his face. He's got sort of like resting sad face. I think it's a Cavalier thing. Anyway, he's not really sad. He just looks that way. He's just drawn that way. Boy and I are back. He is drinking water right now because it was really hot. But let me show you guys what I pulled off of him when he came into the house. This is all like hair I brushed off with like leaves and stuff. So like having a long-haired dog is really hard, and he was like being dramatic and was like wee, wee, wee. When I was getting some of this. This is all came off of you. All came off of you. Now he's clean, but there's still some stuff around, so I think I'm gonna run the robot vacuum. Ew. All right, taking a break for lunch, and then we will get to our project. Look at that egg though. Yes. Okay, I didn't expect the Roomba to come in here. I forgot to close the door, but you know what? She did a pretty good job. She did a good job in here. Look at her. Okay, anyway, the first area I would like to attack is the bathroom. Hello. So we have this really weird, like shallow closet in the bathroom, and of course, I've put some shelving up in here because it was like there was nothing in here at all. But it's really shallow. As you can see, it's only 9 inches. And so this barely fits in here. I mean, it fits perfectly, but like I knew I had enough room just for this. So right now it's just been unpacked with like some cleaning stuff, a couple of like decorations. There's a whole box of candles that I packed. It's sort of acting as a catch-all like utility closet / cleaning closet. So I think it would be a good thing if this was a cleaning closet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take everything out, and then we're gonna reassess, because I want to put some extra toiletries in here too. I think that would be a really good option. So we're just gonna give it a try, but like, look at it now, disaster. Hopefully it will look better by the time we are done with it. So one more before photo, and I can't fit more solid shelves on this side, so I just put like stick goods, and I think that works fine. I wanted to get another like little shelf to put up there, like a little, they make these little 4-inch guys that are not as deep, that are 18 inches, but we'll see how I feel about it. So let's get started. Yeah. It's the first official project in my house that I am taking on, and really what's been happening in the last week where I have not really been filming, we've just been sort of dealing with trying to get our life back to normal, is we've actually been doing a heck of a lot of decluttering, and this closet was no exception. I thought maybe I'd want this to be a cleaning closet just full of cleaning items, but instead I made it a proper bathroom closet with extra toiletries, some things that I use only for the bath, you know, Epsom salts, backup hand soap, candles, those kinds of things, and nothing else, basically, and also toilet paper as well. So it's basically a cleaning closet slash bathroom closet, and I really like the way that it came out. The majority of our week, or a couple of weeks that we've been here, has basically been getting rid of stuff, and we thought that we didn't have to declutter that many items, but it turns out that my husband got rid of half of his clothing. I got rid of bags and bags of items and like shoes and things that I just wasn't reaching for. The pandemic has really changed what my life is like on a daily basis. And right now, I only want to keep the things that I'm actually using. So I brought a bunch of stuff out of the bathroom cabinet, the other bathroom cabinet, and I transferred it over to here, and I think it works really well. I haven't prettied this up yet to look like Pinterest or anything, but you know, that's a later project. But I think this one turned out pretty good, and I'm happy to have one space down, probably like 10 to go. Okay, I am all done, and I think it looks pretty good. Let's take a look. So I cleared out the cabinet in the spare bathroom, and I combined everything, and I got rid of a bunch of stuff. So all of this stuff is going to donation, and all of this stuff is gonna stay. So first row here is the specialty cleaners. These are not the cleaners we use a lot, but these are like the specialty. I almost said every day, but it's not. It's just specialty cleaners. Like this is a upholstery cleaner. We don't use that all the time, so those can hang out up there. And we of course have the toilet paper right there. We've got all of our candles here. We got rid of a couple candles, and these are the ones we like the best. I'm still burning through this one. I burn through, like, I just go kind of burn them for a while and then kind of stop, but I love these festal candles. I'm on my maybe fourth one of this like forest moss one. So good. Oh, Tree in a Jar is like really deep they last such a long time, so I don't need to buy them that often. But there's the candles, and then we've got my bath bombs, and we've got the dental area here where the it's like extra heads for my toothbrush, and some stuff for my plackers, which are like just prevent me from grinding at night. Oh my goodness, the stress. And we've got some hand soap. I don't know where this hand sanitizer came from, but I'm sure my husband knows something about that, but I just put it there. And then here we've got like a shelf just full of like different Epsom salts. This is like my skincare, backup skincare stuff that I like go through after my current stuff is gone. And then this is my backup body care stuff. So it's like when you go shopping at Bath & Body Works website, you buy it's like buy 3 get 2 free. So I keep this sort of running stash of shower gel. It's only a shower gel. This will last me maybe I don't know, I have 3 in the back, 2 in the front. It'll probably last me like a year. Yeah. But you know, every now and again, yeah, I think it's gonna last me a year, because I did this last year, and then I noticed I had run out, and I bought again, and I was like, oh, it took me about a year to go through those. So about a year. And then the bottom, I have really nothing. I'm gonna let my husband maybe have some of that space if he wants it. But for right now, there's nothing except for a measuring cup and an organizer. This actually goes with the Brava cleaning fluid, but we don't have that right now. So until it comes back in stock, I don't think it's in stock. I tried to buy it a couple weeks ago and it was not in stock. So I think I'm gonna try again maybe, but this is the only way I can measure it because it says use 6 capfuls, but like 6 capfuls is 2 ounces. So I just pour it in here and use it that way because it's the whole capful thing is very messy. Anyway, we're not going to talk about that. But so anyway, we're pretty organized. We got our cleaning things over there. I got a little step stool because we now have 4 step stools in the house. Yay. So I have a step stool there just in case I need to get up there because I'm not really that tall. And I got my manual mop. I have a few manual mops. Maybe I need to get rid of this one. I don't know because this is a new one from Melissa Maker. So maybe I will eventually get rid of the O-Cedar, but because I really like the Melissa Maker one. And then we have our like paper bag, plastic bag storage there because we reuse those guys after they come into our house. So that is the bathroom, the master bathroom, utility slash backup closet. And I think it looks really cool. And look at all the stuff leaving. Hooray! So I think I'm gonna call it quits on the project today. My feet are crying out in pain. So I'm still working on that like plantar fasciitis treatment. Oh, it's such a pain. So if any of you know what I'm going through, you know I'm going through it with the plantar fasciitis. But so tomorrow we're gonna work on the refrigerator, and then maybe also if we have time, we'll do the second bathroom because right now that's a disaster. Oh, but let me show you where I took all the stuff out of the cabinet in the second bathroom. So this is the second bathroom, and I had a bunch of my toiletries and stuff up there in this little area, and I just took them away because I feel like this should be a dedicated like laundry area space because hello, laundry machines there. So I figured that might be a good idea. So maybe I'll move the first aid stuff and then first shelf. That actually might be a grand idea. So maybe I'll do that. Woohoo! Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this first like organizing video of the new place. Slowly but surely getting done. I hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you in the next one.